Let's fix Riot client. Click profile icon in the right top corner. Click settings. Click Valorant. Click repair settings and wait for a couple of seconds. It will repairing the files and folders in the games. Once complete after, it will throw up the successfully repaired. You have seen now your game file have successfully repaired. After that, go to next tab. Search for services. Scroll down and search for VGC. Right click, go to properties. Here make sure the startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running mode. If it's not running means you can start it. If the start option is not enabled means you can apply and again you can start it. So the startup type should be in automatic and service status should be in running. Click apply and OK. Once complete after, close it. Now search for run. Type the following text appwiz.cpl. Click OK. The uninstall program page will open. In this you need to scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard and uninstall it. Make sure your account will be safe. It's only uninstalling the Vanguard. Once you open up the Riot client, it will ask you to reinstall it. And you can freshly reinstall the Vanguard. After that, the next step, go to run and type the following stat tpm.msc. Here you can see the TPM is ready for user. It should be like this state. If it's not means you need to boot the device. And after the last and final step, go to the Windows update and search for update. If available means you need to update it, and or else any pending items available means you need to install and update it and restart your PC.